Okay, midweek recap. Overall, I'm 11k down, and after 5 trades, let's get into it. Paying students, we'll have a deeper analysis straight after this. Let's get into this video. Alright, so let's have a look into what happened this week. Coming up to Wednesday. Let's see what went on. First week of the year, last year, I had a flurry of winning wins or winning trades. So this year I was like, cool, I'm just gonna throw money at it. Boom, 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 boom. Full leverage. Let's see how that went. Monday, I actually did okay. Withdrew some profits. I saw my profit run up to 2,700. I'll pop a screenshot here for you to see. And then price literally ran up. Ran up about, so let me take this off. Ran up about here before closing me out. So I didn't take the full amount. And look at that. That's a full trade. That's hitting TP. Even like what? 1 to 4. I'm just going for more consistency with my payouts. So I'm going for 1 to 2 as opposed to 1 to 3. If that doesn't make sense, of course, you can just contact me and we can have a lesson and talk about it. The next trade, see where I am. Boom. Okay, so for the second trade, to be honest, that was not within my playbook. So my short got taken out. And then, so whenever my short gets taken out, or my entry gets taken out with the next candle, usually price flips. So when price flips, just get straight back in. So then I can take an extra 20 pips. So I was over anxious, I can see now, because the candle didn't even close. So I went for my buy while price still had momentum for this buy, for going in and tapping into this higher time frame FEG. Again, looking at it now, to be honest, it's, I can just blatantly see it's just anxiety during the day. What I need to be mindful of is throwing so much leverage during the London session. It's pretty dangerous, and as you guys can see, sometimes it doesn't work to your favor. Next session, I went for a short. Let's have a look at this. Went from a short. Boom. I can't see where this entry is. So what time was this? 1:02. Okay, so with my next entry, I can see that, to be honest, my execution was poor. So again, having a look at the chart, I can't see my clear entry. So what that tells me is, while I'm juggling whatever I'm doing, because I have picked up a few physical assets that I'm working on, I'm not watching the chart properly. So what I need to do is probably slow down and just respect the process. And what I mean by that is, if you're a hustler or if you're an entrepreneur, you can be managing everything seamlessly, but when you pick up something else, there is a process time you need to allow for yourself to manage and maintain high efficiency in all of the in all of the practices that you're working on, or hustles that you're working on. So for example, for myself, just because of my past, I usually give myself 2 weeks. So what I will do now is, again, give myself 2 weeks to to adjust with regards to managing the extra entrepreneurial endeavors that I'm up to, and the charts. But see this as the beauty of reflection. Yeah, see this as the beauty of reflection, because I mean, if I had still been cocky, let's call it, and just continued, then I wouldn't have been able to actually flag this up. Because remember, you're trading by yourself, so you need to be on top of how you're performing. So a lot of self-reflection needs to be done, and here you can see I've caught this early in the year, do you know what I mean, which is brilliant. Like, it's going to save me a lot of money. Okay, second to last, I'm looking at London session Wednesday. I can see my short entry, boom, it's gone up. How many pips have I gone into profit in this one? Gone up only just about 9 pips, and then it's gone and taken me out. Annoying. What I would say is, this entry here again, I can see just because of the fundamentals, I shouldn't have entered here, because I entered on this 740 candle, but because of the fundamentals, I should have actually entered outside of this higher time frame fair value gap. So again, I think London session, anxiety, or being too cocky of last year's performance, or assuming that last year's performance will be mimicked for this year, yeah, definitely not worked to my favor. Second entry here, you can see I went into profit coming out of my session, so I'd actually closed in. So this was a break-even trade here. I think it closed at like -$50 before price again attacked the higher time frame fair value gap and then shot back down. So pretty annoying. It's not like I was totally wrong and then off the mark, didn't know what I was doing. But yeah, price just went for extra liquidity grabs, and it did not work in my favor. So I'm not too phased. I'm looking for another winning trade next week to bring me back into some profit, and then we're going to be back in the game. Thank you for your time.